For the next section of our video, what we're going to do is we're going to create the sea animals, sea creatures, and sea plants that we see in our aquarium. So what we're going to do is we're going to begin with pencil. You just need a good pencil with an eraser, and you're just going to sketch out first. I like to begin with the plants. Maybe some are taller. They're just sort of wobbly shapes. Next, you're going to fill in the ocean with some sea creatures. You can do fish, sharks, turtles, minnows, shrimp, octopus, whatever you want. Add about 3 or 4 different animals, and then you should be good to go. After completing your drawing in pencil, what you're going to do is you're just going to use regular crayons, any colors, and you are simply going to color in, using crayon, all of these little sea creatures that you have created. You can be creative with your colors because we are making up these sea creatures a little bit. So even though sharks are not purple, I'm going to use a little purple in my coloring. Okay, once you have completed your crayon drawing, you want to take your pencil and just erase any little pencil marks that are left over. And now we are ready for our next step and our final step, which is the paint.